So autoscaling in general is about automatically adding resources, be it nodes or pods, to serve additional requests and scale down to minimum size once the demand is low. So with GKE, you have four options for autoscaling. In horizontal pod autoscaling, the pods are automatically increased or decreased based on CPU utilization or custom metrics such as rate of the client request per second. In vertical pod autoscaling, CPUs and or RAM resources allocated to pods are modified based on CPU or the RAM utilization. And vertical pod autoscaling lets you discover the CPU and RAM requirements for your pods over a period of time based on its current and past runtime utilization. And usually, an action item may involve removing the pod that doesn't mean the recommended configuration and adding the pod back with recommended configuration. Cluster autoscaling automatically resizes the number of nodes in a given node pool. Node pool is basically a set of nodes of the same configuration based on the demands of your workloads. So when the demand is high, the cluster autoscaler will add nodes to the node pool to accommodate that demand. And when the demand is low, cluster autoscaler will scale your cluster back by removing the nodes. With node provisioning, a new node pool is created based on CPU and memory request for your cluster workloads. For instance, if CPU request is high and memory requirement is low, a high CPU node would be provisioned automatically. And you can also have spot virtual machines for additional workloads.